This Remittance and Status, or RNS Reports video, is part 2 of a 3-part series. In this video, we'll focus on how to read the first section of the RNS report, Non-Pending Claims. You can view part 3 to learn how to read sections 2 through 4, Pending Claims, Financial Summary, and EOB codes and descriptions. Part 1 of this series focuses on general information about RNS reports and learning how to set permissions to access them. RNS reports are a valuable tool for keeping track of billing activities. It's your responsibility as a provider or FMSA to ensure that all billing is accurate and that any problems or issues related to claims are resolved within the 12-month filing limitations. To access your RNS reports, go to the Texas Medicaid and Healthcare Partnership, or TMHP, website and click TexMedConnect. Sign in to your TMHP IM Online account, and then click RNS. Select the RNS report you want to view. The title page is the first thing you'll see after opening the RNS report. It contains information such as the RNS report number, the reporting period, and provider information. The first section of the report is Non-Pending Claims, which shows finalized claims for the reporting period. After a claim has been finalized, the claim is only reported once in the non-pending section of the RNS report. It's recommended that you download and reconcile your RNS reports on a weekly basis. Making this process a part of your regular routine allows you to know the status of your claims at any given time. Let's look at some of the information you'll see on the RNS reports in detail. Claim information is shown in 3 sections, with each section separated by dashes. Let's review the first section. The Internal Control Number, or ICN, is the assigned claim number. The referral number is assigned by the Health and Human Services Commission, or HHSC, and allows the claim management system to differentiate between 2 contract numbers that share the same National Provider Identifier, or NPI. You'll see the referral number on an individual's Medicaid Eligibility Service Authorization Verification, or MeSave, once authorization is granted. Warrant information includes the assigned number, date, and status. In this example, a status of D indicates direct deposit. Other statuses you might see include the following. A indicates there is an agency hold. C indicates the warrant is canceled. G indicates general ledgers, or GL, entries are completed. H indicates a comptroller hold. M indicates the warrant has been mailed. R indicates received from provider. V indicates the payment request has been denied. W indicates the warrant has been issued. X indicates unspecified state adjustment. Z indicates the Department of Human Services, or DHS, paid 0 for the document locator number, or DLN. The total billed amount and total amount paid are shown. Keep in mind that the last 2 digits represent the cents paid. Column headers are displayed here in the second section of the claim information that reference the data below in the third section. The first line of headers correspond to line 1. Likewise, the second line of column headers corresponds to line 2. These numbers indicate the line number of the adjusted claim. In this example, we're looking at information in both lines 1 and 2. Under each line number, you'll see the claim status. Common non-pending claim statuses include the following. P indicates a pay warrant has been issued and financial reconciliation has occurred. D indicates a denied claim that won't be paid due to 1 or more business edits. We'll review pending claim statuses in part 3 of this video series. Refer to the Remittance and Status Reports for LTC Providers, a quick reference guide, on the TMHP Learning Management System, or LMS, for more information on claim statuses. Because this example is an adjustment, you'll see the original claim number used to do the adjustment. The new claim number is listed under the client's name. Next, you'll see the service begin date and end date. This is the billing code and service code used to bill the service. You see the same information in line 2. In this example, under the billed units and billed amount column, we see negative numbers. In line 1, the amount is returned to the provider, but in line 2, the provider rebilled the amount. On line 2, you see the new billed and allowed units, and the new billed amount and allowed amount. This is the old unit rate, and this is the new unit rate. Next, we see the returned units paid, the returned paid amount, the new paid units, and the new paid amount. Lastly, in this area, we see the explanation of benefits, or EOB codes. Descriptions of the EOB codes can be found on the fourth or last section of the RNS reports. In this Part 2 video, we reviewed the non-pending claims section of the RNS report. In Part 3, we'll discuss Sections 2 through 4, pending claims, financial summary, and EOB codes and descriptions.